And last but not least, one that is again most oftenly ignored, but it's a business card of your product in the first touch and feel experience that someone has with it, is called packaging. This is kind of left outside in terms of importance or how much we stress about it. No, let's just have a good product. Let's just manage to find a good wholesaler and let's just put it on shelf, okay? So packaging is important from many points of view. I would say it protects the product itself, right? Especially those which are extremely perishable, for example, and needs to be transported or stored. Okay? It informs the client about your business, the ingredients, the quality of the product. So it informs. And it is an ambassador, yeah? It is a promoter of your product.